I recently picked up the brand new Hisense 65 IMAX U8 ULED 4K TV from Amazon, using the link in the description below. And let me tell you, this thing is on another level. If you're planning to buy, make sure you grab it from the same link for the best price, exclusive discounts, and 100% genuine product assurance. For gamers, this TV is a beast. It's got a native 165 Hz refresh rate with VRR up to 288 Hz, which is almost unheard of in a TV at this price. Motion is buttery smooth, no ghosting, no lag, making fast-paced shooters and sports look incredibly fluid. HDMI 2.1 ports mean you can fully unlock your PS5, Xbox Series X, or a high-end gaming PC with ease. And it's not just about visuals. The built-in 4.1.2 channel audio system with Dolby Atmos and IMAX Enhanced support makes a huge difference. The soundstage feels wide, effects are well separated, and dialogues are crystal clear. I didn't even feel the need for an external soundbar for everyday viewing, which is rare for built-in TV speakers. Being a Google Smart TV, you get an intuitive, smooth interface with access to all major streaming apps right out of the box. Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, all in 4K HDR. Google Assistant voice control works flawlessly, and Chromecast is built in. The design is premium too, ultra slim bezels, solid build, and a stand that looks great in any living room setup. If you want cinema-level picture quality, gaming monitor-like speed, and immersive sound, all in one TV without spending a fortune, the Hisense 65 U8 QG 2025 model is an absolute no-brainer. Again, I bought mine from Amazon using the link in the description, and I highly recommend you do the same for the best deal, official seller guarantee, fast delivery, and safe shopping experience.